Welcome back, everybody. This is Eric here with IV8888. Today we're going to be doing our Man Can announcement and unboxing video for May, which is Patriotism. This is the box that is currently going out now. And the one that is for sale right now for June is the EDC box, which we're very excited about. I'll try to make this video very brief because I know everybody's got a very busy weekend ahead of them and lots of festivities and things planned. So I'll try to keep this quick. In case you guys don't know what Man Cans are, it's basically a subscription box that we sell where the funds go to support the channel directly. So all the profits we make off this box go right back into allowing us to put out content for you guys. So those of you that support Man Cans, as well as folks that support us on Patreon or buy shirts over on Force for Freedom, thank all of you very much for all of your support and continued patronage, because it really means a lot to me and my family and our ability to keep this channel going for you guys. I mean, you guys are the lifeblood as to how we survive as a channel. So thank you guys that support Man Cans. We're gonna go ahead and move along. So we are running a little bit late. I apologize for that. I know some folks have been asking, but all of these boxes will be going out tomorrow, and we're going to go ahead and unbox the May Patriotism can. Now, we mentioned on the site that this can was going to be very, shall we say, accessory related. So not quite so many gadgets and things that are, you know, something you're going to put in a kit and use or whatever, but more like hats, shirts, that sort of thing, more apparel related. So there's a lot of apparel in here. And I remember telling you guys that we were going to try to get away from some of the Iraq veteran logos on everything. Well, this can's a little logo heavy. I hope you guys will appreciate it. Sam and Brandy put their brains together and came up with some cool ideas. And there's a lot of stuff in this can that I think you guys are going to love and hopefully will be very useful for you. Okay, I do want to mention quickly about June. The EDC can is not going to be for sale much longer. It's literally only available for like a couple of more days, and then we're going to have to shut off sales and turn in numbers. Around the 1st or so, the July can will be for sale. So you're talking, I mean, remember guys, these are a pre-order. So a lot of folks get confused about that. When you buy July's can, for instance, you know, it's not shipping till July. So it's like a 30-day window. So just keep that in mind, guys. You know, whenever you check out, when you buy your can, you see what can you're ordering. So it's not, we get a lot of emails from people where they're confused about which can they're buying. I mean, it says right there what you're buying, guys. So if you go to check out and it says June EDC, well, then you're getting the June EDC box. If it says July camping and fishing, then that's the one you're going to get. I know it's a little confusing, but bear with me, guys. The EDC can is not available much longer, so if you want it, I'm telling you, it's going to be an awesome box. Everybody's getting a knife, which is great. I cannot wait to get the EDC box in your hands. So if you want it, go get it now because we're about to shut down the sales on that. Also, July, obviously the July can will be available, well, for pre-sale July 1st. And that theme is camping and fishing. So this is the first time we've ever done like a fishing related box, camping, outdoors, hanging out, doing your thing. We did a survival box before. I think a few times we've done the survival boxes and they've gone over pretty well, but I'm excited for camping and fishing. It's going to be a lot of fun. So without further ado, very quickly guys, I'm going to go through this box. Now this is the part where if you have the Patriotism box on the way, guys, don't watch this if you want to be surprised because, you know, we are doing a reveal here. All right, so the Man Cans come in 3 tiers, regular, Man Up, and Mega. Each of the price structures, basically, the $30 can is a regular, $60 is a Man Up, and then $100 for the Mega. If you buy the Mega, you get all of the previous contents of the other boxes. EDC is a little bit different. Check the website for details on EDC. We're doing everybody a knife for EDC, but I don't think that the upper cans are getting the lower knives in the other boxes. I know it's confusing, but basically whatever can you decide you may want to order, just check the details on the website that's pertinent to that given can. All right, so we're going to get down the line here. I've got quite a bit of stuff here. This can actually, I was very surprised at how well this thing came together. All right, so Forge from Freedom did the shirt for us, and shameless plug for the logo, but you know, nice logo there. Okay, so you're getting a shirt, you're getting a patch, patriotic colors logo patch. Get used to the logos. There's a lot of logos in this box, and and here's part of my reasoning behind this and our collective reasoning, whether it's Brandy and Sam or whether we all usually put our heads together for this type of stuff. Thing is, if I'm going to order a product and I have an option to put a logo on it, then why not have a logo? I mean, a lot of folks that, you know, buy these cans, especially if it's an accessory heavy can like this particular box was, the thing is, you know, people are buying it to support the channel. Why the heck not have a logo to show all your friends and folks around you that you support our channel? That was our thinking on this, so don't shoot the messenger. All right, beer koozie, again, the logo on it, kind of cool. Okay, we did a flag. Now, I'll be honest with you guys, this particular flag, it's just kind of like one of the little, like neoprene, not neoprene, but what do you call it? Almost like a nylon flag. Not a super expensive flag, but you do get an American flag. That's one thing, I think when we were ordering these, I was a little bit confused about what we were getting. I thought it was gonna be like a crazy fancy cloth flag, but then I realized that for, you know, the amount of money that we paid for these, I guess I thought they were gonna be a cloth flag, but that's one item that was kind of like, you know, a little in my personal opinion, maybe just slightly disappointed with myself. I have to be honest, guys. I mean, it is what it is. All right, we did a drawstring bag. And basically what this little bag could be used for, you know, you can put your laundry in it, or, you know, your towels to go to the beach, or whatever you want to do, put your stuff in it. The bag's kind of cool. It's got the logo on it. And we did a challenge coin, and that's a custom challenge coin. All right, so that's a $30 box. Man Up got all the above, as well as a tumbler. Okay, nice, you know, patriotic colors. The tumbler with the logo on it. A power bank. Keep your cell phone in order. Okay, be able to charge your devices and stuff. So we did a little power bank, which is neat. Okay. That was a really cool item. I was happy that we could get that in the box. The power bank. For the Mega, we did trucker hat with the camo brim and the Iraq Veteran logo again. This was like super logo heavy, I told you guys. All right, we did a blanket, and it's got, now the blanket doesn't have the logo, but the little wrap for it does, which is kind of cool, a little fleece blanket. All right, and then you guys got a cooler. The folks that did the Mega got the cooler, and this will hold a 12-pack. Okay, and that's also got the logo on it. And this is a Koozie brand product, so name brand product, which is cool. So Koozie brand, 12-pack cooler. Put your beverages in. So I think the overall thing that we were looking at with this, and what Brandy was figuring on this box, was everybody being able to go hang out with their buddies, go tailgate, go have a barbecue or whatever, and you can show up with your Iraq Veteran shirt, your Iraq Veteran hat, your koozie, you know what I mean, your blanket, your booze, and everybody's gonna be like, who's this IV88? What's all that about? So yeah, this was a cool box, had a lot of really cool things in it, very apparel heavy. Again, EDC is gonna be extremely useful stuff that is gonna be a little bit more for like your everyday carry and things like that, obviously. And then camping and fishing, obviously, that box, that's July's box. That one will be very heavy on useful things. I would imagine we're probably going to run some form of tackle, maybe a little like emergency fishing kit, you know, maybe some cool little survival stuff. We'll come up with something fun to do for that, okay? So guys, thank you very much for the support. I really hope that you enjoyed this box. We've been making some very, very direct and straightforward efforts to try to make this as good as we possibly can. We want you guys to be happy. The last thing we want is for you guys to not like these cans. We want you to love them. We really do appreciate the support that we get from all of you. Those of you that have been buying Man Cans all along, those of you that subscribe to Man Cans, thank you very much for the support. We have a ton of content on the way. I can't divulge every little thing that we're doing, but we have a ton of awesome stuff going on that I promise you're going to love. And thank you so much for being a part of it and for allowing us to produce the content and keep it going for you guys. We're living the American dream, and we couldn't do it without you guys. And I'm proud to say that I'm able to advocate, and for the Second Amendment, I'm allowed to say what I want. I'm allowed to have the freedom to do what I want, when I want, how I want, for you guys. And it's because of people like you. So thank you very much. Enjoy your weekend. We are on Labor Day. We're on Memorial Day weekend. Very important weekend. Memorial Day is, for some is a very sad weekend, and it's easy to get caught up in things that have happened, and especially if you have family members who have passed in military service, or close friends that have passed in military service, or people that you served with that are now no longer with us. It can be a very sobering time to think about the people that we owe our very lives to, and what we do as Americans and the way we live our lives that we owe to these people. So enjoy that this weekend. I appreciate you taking time to watch this video, and I appreciate your patronage. Appreciate all of our Patreon supporters. I appreciate all the folks that buy shirts over in Force from Freedom, and I thank every one of you who have purchased Man Cans. You guys are directly responsible for helping us produce this content. So thank you very much. Guys, enjoy your weekend again. Happy Memorial Day. And we will see you all very soon. Many more videos on the way, much more content. And thank you all for being a part of it. We'll see you soon.